Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Liz Davis. I am a nutritionist and I specialise in digestive health for busy women. So I help busy women fix their IBS symptoms, bloating, painful digestion, heartburn, etc. Any kind of associated hormone problems, menopause, perimenopause, bad PMS, etc. Things like chronic fatigue as well can all be linked back to your gut health. So I help clients with state-of-the-art gut testing, dietary upgrades, etc. to help to bring things nicely back into balance for you. So today I was going to do a quick overview of cooking oils because it's yet another really confusing area, because we've been advised to do one thing and it's turned out that actually that thing isn't so great after all. So we've been advised for a long time to avoid saturated fats like the plague and instead use polyunsaturated fats and oils to cook with and stuff, margarines instead of butter. And it's actually turned out that now that these aren't actually the healthier options at all. So I'll go over why that is in just a second. So there are certainly some oils that you want to avoid for sure for your cooking and general culinary use. So you want to avoid anything which is labelled vegetable oil, sunflower oil, rapeseed oil, palm oil, rice bran oil, any kind of blend of any of the above, margarine, which is often a blend of those oils as well, and anything containing that. So like shop bought salad dressings, etc., will always contain some kind of a blend of vegetable oil. So there are a few reasons we want to avoid these oils really. So the first one being is they're actually highly processed. They sound nice and natural and like they're in their natural form. They're actually not. They use chemical solvents to extract the oils and the fats, and it's, you know, unless it's marked cold pressed or anything like that, you can kind of pretty much assume that they have used solvents to extract the oils. So they do this just to improve the shelf life and the taste, texture, etc., to make them palatable and last for a long time. So the next reason you really want to be avoiding them is because of hydrogenation. So hydrogenation is a process where they're chemically altered to be solid at room temperature. So if you see hydrogenated fats, that means that they're crammed full of trans fats, which are very damaging to your system. So particularly if you've got any kind of an inflammatory situation going on, you really want to be avoiding trans fats. So trans fats you're going to find in, cooking oils that have been heated up. So in baked goods and things like that will be full of trans fats. Hydrogenated fats such as margarines are going to be full of trans fats as well. So that's obviously not what you want at all, particularly if you're suffering with your digestive health and there's any kind of inflammation going on. The next big reason that they are inflammatory is because they're very high in omega-6 fats. People tend to eat loads and loads of omega-6 fats and not enough omega-3 fats, and we need a nice ratio, a nice balance between the two of those. Omega-6 fats you'll find in everything, bread, seeds, you name it. So it's in a lot of foods that you'll find. So people tend to eat lots and lots of omega-6 and not enough omega-3, and we need to fix that balance. So making sure you've got more omega-3 in your diet than omega-6. Or certainly not more, but you need to have the ratio right. So you would have, most people are eating far too much omega-6 and just not enough omega-3. So the other issue is with oxidation. So when these oils are heated, they do oxidize. They then they transform into free radicals. They cause a lot of damage in your system, oxidative damage to your cells, etc. So that's another reason you want to avoid them. So that's quite a lot of reasons why you don't want to be using those kind of vegetable and seed oils in your diet. So what to use instead then? Well, basically what you want to be looking at is extra virgin olive oil. I find this is best eaten raw. You can cook with it up to a certain point. It's not really for high temperature cooking as such, but great for salad dressings and things like that, or kind of low temperature cooking. you'll be safe with that. If you're cooking at a higher temperature, I would definitely recommend coconut oil. Particularly if you're vegetarian or vegan or avoiding animal products. Otherwise, butter and ghee is a good option for high temperature cooking, as is avocado oil. So if you are going to use butter, ghee, animal products, etc., grass-fed varieties are far superior. They've got a much better ratio of fatty acids. You get a lot of omega-3 in there. So those are a really great option for cooking with. Okay, I hope that helps you. If you want to book a call with me to discuss any aspect of your gut health, there's a link below the video. There are also links to download various freebies, recipes, etc. Okay, I hope that's helpful. I'll see you next time. Bye.